Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am planning in my horizontal Hemlock Oak planner, and I'm going to be using all of these beautiful stickers. All of the shops will be linked down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out and possibly even save some money on your order. So for this plan with me, I am using this adorable kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs. So here I have the full boxes. I also have the deco sticker sheet, the date covers, the habit trackers, the half boxes, the washi strips, and also this itty bitty sticker sheet. And so as you guys know, it is $2 Tuesday over at Sweet Kawaii Designs, so be sure to check out all of the adorable kits. I do have these ones on hand that I recently picked up. So here I have the gardening full boxes, and then I also have the deco sticker sheet, the date covers, the half boxes, the habit trackers, the washi strips, and this itty bitty sticker sheet as well. And then I also picked up this little spring joys. So here we have the full boxes, the deco, the date covers, the habit trackers, the half boxes, the washi strips, and also this itty bitty sticker sheet. So you guys know that I love shopping their $2 Tuesday sale because I am able to pick up the sticker sheets that I need and that I want, and simply leave the ones that I'm not going to need at all. And so remember to use our codes. That way you guys can save a little bit of money and you guys can receive our adorable little freebies. So definitely keep that in mind. I will have everything linked down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and move these over. And before we get started, I did want to show you how last week turned out, and I just love the way that it looks all filled in. And I'm not too proud of how I didn't get too many of my habits done. As you can see, it is mostly X'd out, and I'm not proud of that, but life is lifing right now, and sadly, my fitness and wellness just takes a back seat. So hopefully that changes this week. But yeah, this is the way that it turned out. And as you can see here in the weather section, I went ahead and used this little itty bitty sticker sheet with all of the mixed weather icons. And I really like them. I believe she does sell each icon with its own sticker sheet, but I did want to get the mixed one just so that I can see everything at once. And as you can see, I went ahead and used all of the partly cloudy ones. And I believe I'm only going to be using this sticker sheet when there is actually yellow on the kit, because right now it looks amazing. But if I were to use it in, say, this kit right here, there's no yellow, and I feel like it would stand out. So whenever that is the case, I'll just keep using the ones that I'm currently using. But whenever I can, I'll definitely be incorporating them. So let's go ahead and switch the page. That way we can get started. And so let's go ahead and start with these half boxes. And so I think I'm only going to use these three colors right here. So let's actually start with this one. And so we're gonna do the pink, the blue, and then this more neon green. And then we're just going to repeat going down the line. And I love using like tracking the weather here in my fitness planner, just because I'll know exactly how it's going to be outside, or if it's going to be too cold. I know that I'll be using the treadmill that day, so this definitely helps. And so we're going to do the green one, and finally pink, blue, green. Okay, so finally we're going to use the pink one. And so now that we have that done, let's go ahead and get into the date covers. And I just love the little milks. We have strawberry milk, chocolate milk, regular milk, and is that blueberry milk? Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And so that's why I went ahead and picked up this itty bitty sticker sheet so that I could add them over here as well. So with this one, I am simply going to cover up the existing dates and do a little bit of layering, because Obviously, you guys know that I love doing that. So there's Tuesday. Then we also have Wednesday. Right about there. And then we'll go ahead and do Thursday. I'm trying to see if we have all of the milks going on over here. In the itty bitty one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have everything except this one, which is completely okay. I was just trying to see if I was going to match them or just kind of sprinkle them around. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And so this one is going to be right here. And finally, we have Sunday, which is going to go right about there. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and add the dates as well. And I should really add these before, but I prefer to do it this way. One time I did try to add the numbers before actually putting them down, and it just didn't work out for me. So I'm just not gonna do that, and I'll stick to what works for me. So let's go ahead and do the 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th. Okay, I believe in one of the Plan With Me videos, I messed up and completely missed one of the days, and someone did notice, and I am really grateful because I didn't even notice when I was actually putting them down or even editing the video until she did point it out. And so that was just really crazy. So now that I'm done with that, I think what I need to do now is add my water intake section. And now that that's done, let's go ahead and get to the fun part. So we'll go ahead and grab the washi strip. So I am thinking that I probably want to use the blue one. I just feel like the blue one is really, really pretty. So we are simply going to put it right about there. Okay, so yeah, I think that, well, no. I was gonna say, I think that that should be good, but it wasn't. So I think we got it now. Let's just trim off this little bit right over here. And then let's grab the full boxes, and I want to add these ones down here at the bottom. Well, not at the bottom, but like in these corners. So I think that I want to add this pink one over here. Then we'll go ahead and add the green one over here. Good thing I didn't go with the green one, right? I mean, I could have always placed the pink one over here instead. So yeah, I think that looks good. And then we are going to add this full box right here. How cute is that? And we are going to try to center it, and maybe right here should be good. Okay, we're just gonna do it right there, and we're done with this one. And now let's see what we could do in these corners right here. So for that, I think I'm going to maybe grab these boxes and this deco sticker sheet. So let's see. The little cow is so cute. Is it a cow, right? Let's see. I think I am looking at this one maybe. Or should we do the one with the flowers? But because she does have pink, how about we do the green one instead? So let's see. I think we need to go higher. This is a pretty big sticker, which is always good because you guys know that I love using bigger stickers on a smaller planner. So yeah, that definitely works. And then as far as over here, I'm just laughing because it's wearing the little sunglasses. So let's, well, I was gonna say the pink one, but we already have pink over there. So let's maybe use the blue one right about there. And for that one, let's maybe use this one and simply do a little bit of layering. Okay, so I think that that looks good. Now we have to figure out these little situations right here. And maybe for that, I could use one of these boxes. So let's see, which one did I want to do? Maybe we could do Welcome Spring over here on this one and kind of tilt it. That way it can be fun. And then I think we'll do the same thing over here for this one. And now that we kind of have like the corners going, we can add the habit trackers. So how about we maybe use the green one over here, kind of like that. And then we'll also use the pink one. And this one can simply go right around there. We'll maybe use the blue one. Let's use it up here. And then for this one, how about, yeah, let's just go ahead and use this one as well. So yeah, hopefully things turn around this week and we get check marks instead of all of those X's. So yeah, now that we have those done, let's sprinkle in some more deco. And of course, I love using this strip down here at the bottom because it does add a little bit of deco. So right about there. And then we do have all of these little flowers. And I feel like these ones would be good, maybe like here, with the habit trackers. So maybe we could add the pink one right over here. We'll maybe add this white one. Let's use it on this one. That way we can add this different style one over here. Okay. And then let's see where we could use this quote. And did I use a quote last week? Yeah, so I went ahead and put it down here where the washi strip is. And so I'm thinking about doing the same, or we can add it here. Ooh, I think I like it right over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and place it there. And then maybe we could add a little flower just like that. And let's see. Okay, so I think I want to move over to the little milk. So I'm trying to see if I want to cluster them. And I think that I do. They're super tiny, that I think that we're able to do it because look at how cute that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. Let's maybe do this one down here. I should probably put this one down. That way I don't get too far out of the box because I still obviously have to add all of my Apple Watch stats in this section. So, oh, I said this one was going to go first. That way we know that it's going to be inside of the box and it's not sticking out too much. Because over here, maybe we could do this pairing right here. So again, let's get this one going first and then we'll do the strawberry one on top. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks good. So let's repeat all of the ones that we clustered. So we'll have the milk, the chocolate milk going there, and then that one there. We'll go back to this one and this one. So yeah, hopefully you guys are able to check out the $2 Tuesday sale. I absolutely love that sale. And that's actually how I got started with Sweet Kawaii Designs, with all things $2 Tuesday. I just love the fact that I'm able to choose exactly what sticker sheets that I want, because for this sale, she does offer 10 different sticker sheets with each kit, but these are the 6 that I pick up, and I just love that because then I don't waste any pages. So yeah, I think that that turned out amazing. I do want to add something over here, and I'm not sure what? I wonder if I can place this one. It might be too big. But maybe not really. Maybe if I do something like this, I can get it going. Okay, we're gonna do it before I change my mind. There's no going back, even though we are able to pick up these stickers without any problem. So yeah, I think it looks amazing. So this is what we have left over of the deco sticker sheet. These are the half boxes, and then we also have the full boxes, the habit trackers, the faux washi, and this itty bitty sticker sheet. And that way I don't feel like I waste anything, because technically I could still make another spread using what I have left over, maybe in my Happy Planner Skinny Mini. So yeah, I could definitely use that again, but this is the way that it turned out. I think it looks super adorable. Definitely loving the colors, the theme. I think it is perfect. So again, be sure to check out the $2 Tuesday sale. I will have everything linked down in the description box below. But for now, I am obsessed with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.